Yeah. And these fish were stacked in this pocket right here last week.
Right here?
Right there, fish on.
All right. That didn't take long.
Boys, we ain't been in the water not even a minute. Come over here with him. He's way over here. Hold your rod up, son.
I think
you over it. Go. That's all right. Is that a bass?
It's not huge.
He's acting crazy, whatever it is. I might speed us up. We're a little shallow.
Yeah, that's a greenfish, I believe.
He's cutting up, ain't he?
He's having the time of it.
That's striper?
Yeah, that's a striper. I guess because he's at the top of the water so much. He's sliding until we get.
Well, what?
Moved over there.
I'm telling you, he's acting crazy. He ain't the size we were looking for, but he's definitely the skunk. He ain't bad, is he?
No, he's all right.
That'd be a good summertime.
Good start. Yeah, that's
Yeah, that's a start. They can only get bigger from here. Oh, fish right here.
Man, that's a good one.
Take your time there, bud. Go to the back with it. He whipped out, didn't he? That was a hit right there, buddy.
I'm telling you. I didn't know where it come from.
Was that on the free line, Paul?
No. This is a
No, that's the weight. That's on the weighted one.
Yeah, the one you just now put
One
at
you
40.
just moved to 40.
So both of them's been on that.
That's a
same
good fish right there. Oh yeah, that's a decent fish.
Just to be on. Is this the free line?
Yeah, it's free line.
The true free line.
A lot of people would never.
Oh, I got a fish on.
Fish on?
Nice.
Wait.
Man, he's not far out of that son.
Oh, he's got all of it in first. We'll figure all this out.
He's actually cleared these.
Yeah.
If he can
Sure
get him
did.
over this one, we can get him up front here, I believe.
Man,
That was a hammer, boy.
what was you letting it out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the way it hit me earlier. What we got?
Got color. Man, we got a good one. He's going all up. He's going to go back that way. This might be the big fish of the day, right?
Come on, Paul.
I just caught the littlest and now I might just have the biggest.
I believe he's a box fish.
Oh, yeah. Man, he's as big as I thought. Man, he sure
He's
is.
decent.
He's still a good fish.
Yeah, he's going in the
keep-
box.
Sure is a lot better than that little one was.
Fish on the screen too. We need to check all these and
I
get.
told you whenever I got my drink.
That's the one that got away.
Fish on, fish
There
on,
he
right
is.
Right here, Brian.
That's a big fish. The way he's pulling.
It's a better one. Unless he's using that planer.
Let me pull this.
Whatever it is, he's staying down, ain't he?
Yeah. The planer board's off. I don't know why in the world that planer board ain't come up yet.
Oh,
That's a good fish.
yeah. Got the net ready.
I will in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, he's in that oven.
That's all right.
It's all right.
That's a good one.
Look at that. Look like jaws coming down through there. Okay.
I'm gonna let him get a little closer before
Yeah.
it's on there.
A little hard to walk on water. Ain't
Oh, yeah.
Jesus or Peter. Oh,
I thought it came off. There we go.
okay, that's got it.
So we catch them on reeds. I mean, as far as that goes.
Yeah.
Fish on! Big fish, too. I heard it. Up here with him, bud.
Yeah, it'd be good if you come all the way up here.
You got you a shark on there. He's heading toward the river channel.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
He hammered
That's the
that
first
thing,
one on
dude.
that free line.
That drag ain't too tight, is it?
I wondered that earlier when we had something.
Well, we will take it, whatever it is.
He's horribly unhappy about its situation.
Close.
He's gonna be close.
Man, that was a hit, though.
Yeah.
He hammered that thing.
He's gonna be close.
19. But that's a sign. Yeah, they doing it over here.
Be good right around the counter.
There's definitely bait in here. Fish on right here.
You got yours on 30 or 40?
Go back there with it. That's a good one. I didn't even get it.
This one may even keep.
Well, let's go
How big is he, Laney? 19.
No, I'll tell you in a minute.
19.21336.
Oh yeah. Brian, you've been catching them today, so
Right, been on them.
Yeah, sometimes.
I seen that one hit it. Was that a fish or a loon?
I think it was a loon.
Yeah, that fish staying down too.
Sometimes you gotta get Paul out of your way. That's a good fish.
Oh, that's a good one there.
Oh yeah. That's a skin box.
Easily.
Oh yeah.
Definitely a skin box now.
40.
60,
I'd at least have 60 out on them.
23 and a
Load it
half.
up. Yeah, they all fixing to get hammered. Right here. Right here.
Golly.
I told you. I told you they was all fixing to get hit. I'm surprised these other ones ain't. Look at here. Look at the screen, dude. I got. Might have to reel these other ones in a little bit. Well, we're in 31 foot of water. We should be good.
The free lines ain't got touched yet.
I don't. Look. The fish done run the bait up to the top. Who's got the net?
Gotcha.
Yeah, hell, take the free lines in. Just fish them 2 rods. With all it. Golly, son, that's what you want. Woo. All right, we got one limit. Here, I'll take it. You got it. I'm trying to keep this. Look at the fish, dude. Look on the screen. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Where we at, Mr. Paul?
Going around this way.
Look at the screen, man.
You come over this one.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna try to. You'll let me.
Look at all the fish in there. Man, that's one for the box, baby.
Yeah.
Me too.
This fish all.
That's the biggest perch I believe I've ever caught there. That funny looking stripe on this one.
There he is.
That's
Wow.
pretty
Would you? What is? What?
35 foot.
Bring it up. Knew we had to try something because I bet that bait was going down below him. What you got, Paul?
Got another good striper here,
Who's
baby.
the net man? That's what I want to know.
Hey, man. I'm fishing.
Paul said he can't do it all.
Well, I'll reel it in if he wants to net.
Here you go.
He was just.
I'm just.
Why these fish wanting to go up to the front?
I don't know, but it's good because it gets them out of where it all
Probably because every time they get around the back of the boat, they get a hook in their mouth. Is it a good one?
See another one.
Don't let him hit the boat, Paul. I can't stay with y'all. Y'all running all over the place.
This fish doesn't want to play the game that he's supposed to play here.
Doesn't that fish know I'm trying to video? Oh yeah, that's a good one.
We're going to get him right here. This is it.
He only done a 360.
Get you some super slow motion.
Oh man, good fish.
Laney.
Oh yeah.
That's one of the bigger stripers I've ever personally seen get caught.
All right, I gotta get us back in.
Fish, that was the only way she was gonna let you off.
Donna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There he is.
Oh, God, dog.
Here.
That's your fish.
Actually, I might see it.
How y'all doing?
The wrong thing. We're dancing. I'm trying to clear this back.
Feels like a little one, but it might not be.
Yep. Still need the net for that one.
Oh, my bad.
You got him.
Working on the next man's limit.
I think it's sick.
I would
Look,
say.
dude, look at the screen. Look,
That is insane.
I can't believe when. I mean, anything from. Look. Dude, this makes me wonder about the bait on this other weighted one. If it ain't got popped or something, because it should have done went off. Have you seen any of them jiggling?
Not in a bit.
I'm gonna tell you, I got a half of mine to try down rod. There he is. God almighty, son. Easy there, easy.
I can't get him out of the rod.
Be tough to beat.
Go over there with him.
Come over here and I'll switch you some.
Still marking them. It's like a football game out here.
Good now.
He hammered it, didn't
Yes, sir. He was ready to feed on that. We're going that way again.
he? Boy, that bait's nervous.
I guess so. About to get your. I have a little bit too much drag on it.
Watch out. He's coming back.
He's coming out.
I felt something hit this.
That's a good one, son. Bring him to Papa.
Got him, Big Papa.
There's one for the box.
Another stud.
Instead we come through like that, we can put 4 rods out and catch them. It's a lot easier to control doing it that way. There you go.
Boom.
That's all I need to see. Easy with him. They're gonna fight like hell. Let's get 2 more out. What you got, Paul?
Got one that thinks he's supposed to be on the other side of the boat.
Well, he might. He's gonna do whatever he wants. He's in that one. Open the bell. Open the bell. There you go. Look at the screen, boy. Here, let's see. Just go around him. There you go. Just put it in that rod holder and reset it.
Done.
Golly, boom. That's what I'm talking about. See, if we can do that and we can control everything.
You ain't controlled everything just yet.
No. Golly. Where's he at, Paul? There he comes. Oh, he's in the boat. He's under the boat. There he comes. Man, what's wrong with him? Somebody hit that button.
I did.
Man, they think there's something, don't they? I believe he'll keep, though.
I hope so, because damn, he took me everywhere.
Look at the screen. We need to get some freaking rods out.
He's gonna have another
I was
bait
gonna
now.
say, here goes something. That one is probably a loon. Nah, that's something.
Crazy, ain't it? What it is, them things attracted that.
Yep. That's him.
Nah, he'd have flew up by now, probably. I would think. That's a good fish. A damn good fish. I believe he'll keep. Number 8 for the box.
Yeah, fish bigger than I thought. Actually.
23.
20, a little over 22.
Damn.
Okay.
22 and a half.
He hit it, didn't he? That was free line, wasn't it?
Yeah, I was on the free line on that. Hey, fish on, fish on.
Yeah, I got it.
love it, son. He's gone. He's gone.
Yeah, I'm thinking
Huh?
about that.
Yeah, I'm starting to wonder that too.
That's a good fish right here, Paul. Yeah, hell yeah.
Try to bring him up there.
That's a damn good one, son. We might have been fishing in the wrong place all day. That fish got some meat on it. I seen it.
It's as good as anything we've
Don't
got.
let him hit that boat, whatever you do, that line. Yeah, that's a good one. I'll get it. Oh, man. Man, that's another pig. Look at that one.
God, dog. That one big as yours, Paul.